Presenting HP Smart Tank 516 all-in-one wireless integrated ink tank color printer, scanner and copier. Print worry-free at 10p for black and 20p for color. The printer can be connected by high-speed USB 2.0 connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE. With integrated ink tanks and an automatic ink sensor, you get a compact, spill-free refill system that makes it easy to manage ink. Get better range, faster and more reliable connections using dual-band Wi-Fi. Print, scan and copy from anywhere with the mobile print app HP Smart. Easy to fill ink tanks lets you see how much ink you have left. This printer features convenient ink management. Inside the box you will find the EPS, MUL, flyer, bag, paperboard, PHA, ink bottles and power cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Online using debit or credit card and net banking.
Today in this video, I'm going to show you my latest buy, the HP Smart Tank 516 printer. Let me tell you more about it. This printer comes with an integrated ink tank and automatic ink sensor that takes care of the essential printer functions for you. Further, its compact and spill-free refill system makes it easy to manage the ink without messing up the area. A single cartridge can support up to 8,000 color or 18,000 black pages. The printer also connects and works using the Wi-Fi, thus eliminating the trouble of wire connections. You can also print, scan and copy from anywhere with the best-in-class mobile print app HP Smart. Its supporting features include high-speed USB 2.0 connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Having used this printer for over a month, I can tell you that this is going to sort all your printing needs easily. Try it out yourself.